In this video, we'll walk through how to order AI captions with Rev. First, from the VoiceHub dashboard, simply upload your audio or video file by dragging and dropping it or clicking to browse your files. You can even paste a URL if your content is already online. Once your file is uploaded, we'll automatically start creating an AI transcript. After that, you can click the ellipsis to start an order for AI captions. Or, if you're in the transcript editor, you can click File Details and then select AI Captions. From there, you can select the language you need captions in. We offer 39 options, spanning Arabic to Mandarin and everything in between. If you've got a free or basic account, you'll purchase your AI captions by the minute and see the price before you place an order. With our Pro and Enterprise accounts, AI captions are included in your 100 monthly hours. Once you complete your order, your AI captions will be delivered to your VoiceHub account in minutes. From there, you can edit them in our interactive captions editor. Edit typos, timing, and speaker names, add customizable burned-in captions, and convert captions into any file format, all from one easy interface. And that's it. VoiceHub makes getting AI captions simple, fast, and affordable.